Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Homebrew on macOS step by step clearly. Open your terminal application on your macOS. You can find the terminal in your applications folder under utilities. Alternatively, you can use Spotlight by pressing Command and space, then typing terminal. Once the terminal is open, check if you have the Xcode command line tools installed. You can do this by typing the command Xcode select install and pressing enter. If the tools are not installed, follow the prompts to install them. Now, let's proceed to install Homebrew. Type the following command in the terminal /bin/bash seed $curl fsslh https://raw.github-content.com/homebrew/install/head/install.sh. Press enter to execute the command. You may be prompted to enter your Mac's administrator password. As you type, you won't see any characters appear. This is normal. After entering your password, press enter again. The installation process will begin, and you'll see several lines of output in the terminal. Homebrew will automatically download and install the necessary files. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you will see a message indicating success. To verify that Homebrew was installed correctly, type brew version and press enter. This command will display the installed version of Homebrew. If you see the version number, you've successfully installed Homebrew. Now you can start using Homebrew to install software on your Mac. To update Homebrew, simply type brew update and press enter. This ensures that you have the latest version and package data. You are now ready to explore thousands of packages with Homebrew. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.